In this discussion, we are going to deal with writing reports. Reports are of two types: newspaper reports and magazine reports. In newspaper reports, uh, it's more formal, and in magazine reports, it's a bit informal, but the language is more or less the same. The newspaper reports and the magazine reports at the start are quite different from each other. At the start, you find in the newspaper reports the heading, which is obviously in magazine report as well. But after that, you leave a line, and on the left hand side, you write, say, for an example, the name of the reporter is Peter. So you'll write Peter, comma local reporter, comma Hindustan Times, comma Rampur, comma 7 July. And then you give a colon. And then you start from the same line, and that is the first paragraph after you finish the first lines and the second line and the third line and all. Then comes the second paragraph and then comes the third paragraph, and each paragraph will have a line gap. But a magazine report is different because it is like an article, the format. You'll have the heading, and after that, leaving a line, you'll write by the name of the person who is writing it. Uh, a report is generally of an inverted pyramid structure. It is like an ulta V. So why is it so? It means that, and why is it so? It comes later, and the first question that comes to your mind, that why is it so, and the reasons behind it. Uh, the reasons behind it is very simple. It means that the most important information is at the top, and the next ones are the subsequent information or the supportive informations. Now, why is it so? This was how is it so, and so why is it so? It is because many people don't have the time in the morning to read the whole newspaper, and so they read the first paragraph and leave the rest of the newspaper to be read when they come back from their jobs or their work. So that is why the most important information is written at the top. The first paragraph is the WH paragraph: what happened, when did it happen, and where did it happen. The second paragraph is how did it happen, and the third paragraph is the present situation, a detailing of the present situation. Say, for an example, there has been an accident in, say, Sonapur. So on the top, you write 15 killed in Sonapur bus accident. Uh, and then after leaving a line, you write the name of the person who is writing it, the name of the newspaper, the place, the date, and then it starts. In the first paragraph, you write what had happened, how did it, where did it happen, and at what time did it happen. And in the next paragraphs, you write how did it happen, and a little bit of how did it happen comes in the first paragraph as well. Otherwise, all the paragraphs will be very different from each other in terms of size. So in the second paragraph, you will write the details of how did it happen, how did the people rush in, how are the people rescued, injured people rescued, and so on. And in the final paragraph, you will write what is the present situation, like where were the injured being treated, and what is their condition, what has the government promised, and like 2 lakh rupees will be given to the relatives of the dead, and the injured will be given full treatment free of cost, and so on and so forth. The government is conducting an inquiry. The people are demanding, that strict traffic rules should be followed over here, and there should be traffic outposts, and the government is working on that. So all this information will come in the third paragraph. The magazine report is always the same, actually the same, more or less the same rather, but the language, as I said, and the expression that I said is a little bit less formal because it's written for the school magazine. But in the same way, what, when, and where on the top paragraph, uh, how in the second paragraph, and the third paragraph comes in that way. Say, for an example, there was a plantation drive. So in the first paragraph, tree plantation drive. In the first paragraph, you will write what had happened, when did it happen, and where did it happen. In the second paragraph, you will write how did it happen, like when did it start, and how many people took part in it, who were the people who initiated the event, who were the guests, and so on. And finally, at the end, you write how did it conclude, how were the prizes given, who won the prizes, what were the promises made, what did the guests say in their speeches, what was said by the principal, and so on. So this was the discussion about reports, magazine reports, and newspaper reports as well.